What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So, based on the title, you know exactly what your girl will be making. But before we jump into this video, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my upload. And guys, thanks for always being here with me. So here's a list of the ingredients I'll be using. I will list the full measurement down in the description box so you could go ahead and check that out. So guys, let's get cooking. So here I have a pot heating up. To this I'm going to add some coconut oil. You could use any oil of choice, but I prefer to use coconut oil. To that I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to add my red onions, my green bell peppers, and my scallions. I'm going to saute this for a quick second or two. Then I'm going to go in with my mushroom, guys. And I'm going to saute that for a couple of seconds as well. Now I'm going to add some seasoning. Now here you could use any all-purpose seasoning of choice. This is what I am using, but any all-purpose seasoning you like or any mixed blend that you like, you could use it right here. I'm going to go in with some dried codfish. I'll show you the brand that I use. And guys, this is optional. You could leave this out and make this a straight vegan dish. Or you could, use your codfish and make it vegetarian or pescatarian. It's optional, guys. It's up to you. But the saltfish adds a little bit more protein, a little bit more flavor. But you could totally leave it out and make this a vegan dish. To that I'm going to add my mixed vegetable, and I'm going to saute these for a couple of seconds as well. Now we want to taste, because remember the saltfish is like a little bit salty. Even though we soaked it earlier, you still need to taste to see if you need more salt. And I'm going to go in with my rice. My rice has been previously washed and drained, so I'm just going to saute the rice for a quick minute or so before I add my liquid. So I'm just going to toast the rice a bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk. Now guys, the coconut milk is optional. You could just use straight up water, but the coconut milk gives it an extra depth of flavor. So I'm just gonna pour in my coconut milk, and then I'm gonna add some water to cover the rice. I added about a cup of water, guys. Now here I'm gonna add a little bit more salt because I needed a little bit more salt. And guys, you taste as you go along to know exactly what your pot needs. And you know, if something is lacking, you could add some more to make sure that you know it's up to standard. Gonna cover this and allow this to cook. Can't forget to add your butter, guys. So I went in with about 3 tablespoons of butter. Now we're gonna allow this to cook. After about 20 minutes, guys, this is what your rice be looking like, nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to take my fork and fluff it up. Now guys, this could be a weeknight dinner, lunch, and it's party favorable too. And guys, this can enjoy just as is, or you could serve it as a side dish. Anyway, it works just fine and it's delicious, guys. And guys, don't forget to hit that subscription button and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my upload, and leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you think about this recipe, and if you tried, please tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen and let me see how it turns out. So guys, this is how I serve it up: some avocado, some fresh cherry tomatoes, and a piece of fresh basil. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in another one.